Thanks for joining us. We're excited to walk you through the Oklahoma Joe's Judge Charcoal Grill Easy Assembly. Before we get started, make sure you have the following tools. This grill will require 2 people to assemble it at some points. Make sure you have someone on hand who can help you through the process. Assemble your grill on a level, protective surface to prevent damage to the unit. The outer carton is ideal for this purpose. Place the carton top side up. Cut all 4 corners with a utility knife and allow the carton panels to lay flat. To attach the legs to the grill, remove the lid and turn the firebox on its back. The 2 shorter legs should be installed on the left side of the grill. Insert 2 2-inch hex bolts in each leg and secure with flange nuts, but don't fully tighten them. Repeat this same step with the 2 longer legs on the right side of the grill. Fit the bottom shelf between the legs and attach using 4 hex bolts and nuts. Now fully tighten all nuts and bolts on the legs. With your helper, turn the grill over onto its legs. Then, while lifting the left side up, place the wheels on the outside of the legs and push the axle through. Secure it to the grill by placing the flat washer on the axle, then pushing the hitch pin through the hole at the end. Place the lid on top of the grill with the hinges facing the back. Insert the hinge pins, making sure that both pins face the same direction. Secure the pins using 2 flat washers and hex bolts. To install the smokestack, open the lid of the barrel and slide it through from the inside. Then secure it with 3 half-inch bolts and nuts, making sure to insert the bolts from the outside. Then attach the handle using 4 half-inch bolts and nuts. Thread the temperature gauge into the bushing located on the lid. Adjust the gauge so it's aligned correctly, then tighten the lock nut using an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten or use the face of the gauge to tighten, as you could damage it. Attach the intake damper to the right side of the grill with 2 shoulder screws and nuts. Hook each shelf on the shelf mounting brackets on each side of the grill and secure each of them with 2 1/2-inch bolts and washers. Slide the ash pan into the ash pan slot. Just a couple more steps to finish putting the grill together. To hang the charcoal tray, snake the charcoal grate hanger rungs around the support bracket. Then lift the hanger up and slide it down. Now lower the charcoal grate frame into the grill, hanging it on the hooks. Then place the charcoal grate in the frame. You can raise and lower the frame by adjusting the handles up or down. After you lay the cast iron cooking grates on the grate supports, you've finished assembling the Judge. Alright, you have finished assembling your Judge Charcoal Grill. Go to oklahomajoes.com for recipe inspiration and more.